What up, YouTube? All right, we are unboxing. Mrs. Cash, do your thing.
That was anticlimactic. Climactic.
Here it comes. Oh, whoa. All right, anybody know what that says? What's that saying?
Louis Vuitton. The dogs think it's for them.
I know. What's this say?
Louis Vuitton.
There's a letter in there.
This is the receipt. You probably don't want to see that. Oh, it's in case you want to ship it back.
Okay.
They gave me a receipt online. It says what it is.
Gotcha. Let's do it. What is this? A scarf.
Oh wait, there is a. I want to show everybody what it comes with, just not all my stuff. This just tells you if you want to exchange or return it.
Nice. All right, you're going to see the most expensive pair of socks you've ever seen in your life.
Do you even know what I ordered?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, my box is a little bit scrunched. I'm going to exchange that one with the tons of broken.
All right, so here's the box.
It has a magnetic closure on it.
Does it?
Ready?
Yeah.
Watch.
Nice. Here it comes.
What's that?
Pair of socks. Who buys Louis Vuitton socks?
I do.
That don't look like socks.
It's not.
What is that? That's for plates. Oh, it's not for plates.
It's the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. And I got the strap to go with it. It smells so good.
What's that? Keep your hands over this way a little bit.
This is another little bag. It's for the key for the lock.
Oh, is there a key in there? There it is.
There's the key.
Looks like it's got like a, I guess it has to be like out for a second.
Yeah. I'm surprised they don't. This will have to be out for a while.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Wow. Not bad for a $25 knockoff, huh, guys?
Don't look at the bank account. Whatever you do.
Holy mackerel. So if you ever want to see what a Louis Vuitton purse looks like coming from Louis Vuitton,
Straight from, right now.
the way they fold it's weird. It puts like, not a
Crease, but
yeah.
it'll come out. I have a bag shaper. And the reason, you have to give it a whiff.
Turn it around so we can see the, or is that side oh, that side's the same.
Because of the way they had it folded.
Wow. Let's have a look down the side there.
You might want to put your thing in.
Pull it open a little bit. I just want to see the pockets. Sweet.
That's the. Oh, I don't want to show that.
What is it?
It has a. I don't want that on there.
What is it? I just asked.
So you can see what you bought.
Oh. Well, just explain what it is. This is the Speedy 30.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that's what you get from Louis Vuitton.
What size is this one?
This is a 30.
No. I mean, like the dimensions of it. Do you know?
No.
Seems like a pretty spacious bag. Comes with a beautiful dust ruffle.
And this is
case.
made the 10th week of 20. That's how you read that. The 1 and the 0 is the week that it was made, and of 2020.
Wow.
So you know what year. I wanted to get one that was made in 2020 because we've had a really rough 2020, and I wanted something really nice to come
What's
out
that
of
say
it.
on the side of it? Right there.
That says Louis Vuitton.
All right, let's look and see what that says on the side. Nice. So, if you buy one, now you know what to look for if you're buying a used one. Because if it doesn't have all this stuff on it,
But this one's brand new.
well, I understand that. But everything is marked Louis Vuitton. So if you buy one and it doesn't have all the markings on it, then you know.
Well, there's a few other ways to know if you have a real Louis Vuitton too. And the leather itself, this is one piece of leather. Ready?
Yeah.
See how they're all facing?
Mm-hmm.
It'll be that way the whole way around. These are all handmade. Fun fact for people that enjoy designer handbags, Louis Vuitton sets them on fire, the ones that don't sell.
Yep.
And then this is what the inside pocket looks like. And then that's the ID stamp. It's made the 10th week of 20. So the 1 and the 0 mean the 10th week, and the 2 and the 0 of 2020. I wanted to get one from 2020 because we've had a bad 2020, and I wanted to have something nice to show for it for the year.
So you're looking at a brand new Speedy 30 from actual Louis Vuitton.
And then it comes with the lock and key. This was usually you pay for the strap separately, but I got the one that came with the strap. And then Mr. Cash got me,
Pretty sick purse though. Yeah, them little buttons all say Louis Vuitton on it.
yeah, the zipper does too. I want to keep the bag in as good of condition as I can. So Mr. Cash went today and got me some scarves to go around the handles to keep them in good condition.
Nice.
Then this is one of the ones I like the best because I like the color. And these are usually called twillies that go around.
Nice. Box is nice too.
Yeah.
It's got a nice bag on the inside.
Yeah, it even has a little bag for the keys.
Bunch, is that your purse?
She could fit in it.
You want to go inside a Louis Vuitton purse, huh? What are you doing, huh? Where's the keys at?
These are the keys.
Does it say Louis Vuitton on them?
No, but they do have a number on them.
You're so pretty, huh? Look how pretty you are.
311.
Make sure it works.
Yeah, it matches the lock.
What's the lock?
311
Oh, nice.
and 311.
Run up ones.
There's the lock and key.
Nice. Who's that little girl over there?
That's a little Madison.
What are you doing, Madison?
Hi, honey.
She sees that cameraman. She jumps up into some.
I smell.
All right. Hope you guys like it. Just wanted to let you check it out. That was Mrs. Cash's 15-year anniversary present. Pretty nice.
Thank you.
Pretty nice. Oh, you got two little fans here. You girls love that bag, huh?
They know what that means.
How she sits. She's such a weirdo. What are you doing? You sit like a frog. So nice, huh?
So this was exciting.
Yeah, definitely.
We're gonna let it sit out.
Keep it in that bag too?
Pardon me?
You keep it in that bag?
Well, I'm gonna let it reshape itself.
Look. Come on, Madison. Get out of Mama's bag. She wants to sit in there.
And then when Louis Vuitton store opens, I'm going to ask them for a different box.
Yeah, it's got a little thing on it.
Because in our old house, Mr. Cash, because I like handbags and shoes and things like that, Mr. Cash actually made me a walk-in closet that was climate controlled. So I take good care of my stuff.
We could probably email them and have them send us just an empty box.
Well, I can show it to them because I don't want to be a Karen.
Right.
But when you make a expensive purchase like this,
Well, yeah,
you want
we
everything to be
I don't want the
pristine.
box all messed up either.
It smells so good.
It does smell good. Hey, hope you guys liked the video and the purse. It's
Speedy 30
Speedy 30. Beautiful purse too.
with the strap.
With the strap.
Because that does make it, in case people are looking for it.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
it has the strap.
Hey, thanks for coming in, everybody. If you liked the video, please don't forget, subscribe, smash that like button, leave a comment, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks, everybody. Hope you enjoyed our video.
Don't forget to wash your hands, social distance, take care of one another. Our thoughts and prayers are with you guys as always. And have a really good evening. Happy scratching.
Happy scratching.
Bye, guys.